Hi, this is Bob Shuren from Rock Automation. I'm here today to talk to you about our safety multifunction access box. A traditional door locking mechanism is made up of multiple parts: a bolt actuator, a door handle, machine control, and emergency escape release. An integrated multifunction access box provides all of those pieces in one unit. This type of protection is typically used in perimeter guarding with one or more entry points. It serves applications with robotic assembly, equipment palletizers, and packaging equipment. The multifunction access box has a lot of advantages. It has high holding force. It has escape release available from the inside. It's rated Performance Level E, Category 4. Each unit has RFID that is uniquely coded. It's available in power to release or power to lock. It can be used on left or right hand doors. It can be used for both sliding and hinged door applications. You'll notice in this diagram that there are other additional attributes to the multifunction access box. It has a number of operator controls for machine access and resets. It has a solid mechanical doorstop. It has extending bolts that can be used for lockout-tagout applications. It has a handle that will unlatch and latch the open guard door. And has auxiliary manual release. This diagram shows another version of the multifunction access box. It communicates over SIP safety over Ethernet. It allows for easy wiring and connectivity of multiple boxes. Notice at the bottom of the control box that there are 2 power connectors and 2 Ethernet ports that allow for daisy chaining of the units and thus minimizing the amount of wiring that needs to occur. This diagram further illustrates the difference between the 2 options. The unit on the left has discrete wiring going back to a safety point I/O. The unit on the right communicates over Ethernet to a guard logics unit utilizing SIP safety and has up to 83% reduction in wiring time. This unit provides a lot of flexibility as you only order the parts you need for your application. For more information, you can go to the website. If you'd like to talk to someone live, please call your local RA distributor. Thanks for listening, and make it a safe and productive day.